Hi guys, good morning. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Pioneer Woodland Physically Connected MRT Boni. This one is 50.32 square meter, 2 bedroom dito. So kung naglululo kayo ng ready for occupancy unit, this is really good kasi less hassle, very accessible po ito, very affordable. Tara, pasok tayo. So as of now, nandito tayo ngayon sa kitchen. We have upper cabinet and lower cabinet. So kung makikita nyo, ito yung actual turnover. Naka-upgraded ceramic tiles po kami, high ceiling po kami. So guys, puntahan natin yung rooms para makita natin kung ano talaga yung advantage ng square type of unit namin dito sa Pioneer Woodland. So ito yung master's bedroom. So before that, puntahan natin yung deliberation namin ng toilet and bath. Kung makikita nyo yan, meron kaming upper shower, meron kaming toilet and bowl, lahat-lahat nandyan na. So meron kaming partition for washing machine also. So for another room, this one ang mas maganda dito kasi facing view po siya. Makikita nyo yung buong Boni Station, and then also yan po yung aming actual turnover ng 2 bedroom, 50.32 square meter. Good for Airbnb, good for business rental. Yan, sobrang ganda, maaliwalas. What are you waiting for, guys? Message me for more details, and then para maibigay ko po sa inyo yung actual computation. Dito 5% down payment only, makaka-move in na kayo for ready occupancy. Thank you!